Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the App Store using the terminal command prompt on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the App Store as well as the terminal command prompt, which are both built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt. Open up the terminal command prompt on screen. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size on screen. Command plus a couple of times. Let's now list everything on screen. If I were to, let's just say, navigate to the applications, see the applications, ls, as you can see, there's nothing in that applications folder. We would now have to navigate back to directories, cd, // ls. If I were to, let's just say, go into applications, we may still not be able to locate the App Store. And why is this, you may be thinking? Well, the App Store is actually in the Systems folder. Let's go back one directory, cd, system, applications, /ls, to list all the applications within that folder. And there we have the App Store on screen, the first application in that folder. The command to open up the App Store via the terminal command prompt is open appstore.app/, enter, and this will open up the App Store on the Mac computer for us to then purchase the applications and start using the new applications. So we can now quit the App Store, clear all the content on screen within terminal, exit the terminal, quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.